Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. It's Saturday and the holiday season will be upon us in no time. Thanksgiving and Christmas will soon be here. So for this recipe, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to make a fruity holiday cranberry sauce. So let me show you how to make it. Round up a saucepan and drop in 2 cups or roughly 500 milliliters of orange juice. To that, you'll add 1 cup of light brown sugar. At this point in the sauce making process, you can turn your heat to medium to high. Grab a spatula, give it all a mix to help combine that sugar or dissolve it into that orange juice. Add a few spices to help give that cranberry sauce a holiday feel. 1 cinnamon stick and 1/4 teaspoon of ground clove. When the sugar's fully dissolved in the orange juice, you can add 1 pound or 454 grams of cranberries. Give it a quick stir and then add the fruits. And you know what? Because this is a homemade sauce, you can make it how you like it. So what that means is you can add any fruits that you like to this sauce. For this recipe, I'm adding 1 cup of blueberries and 1 cup of sliced strawberries. Your burner, it still should be over medium to high heat. You'll want to bring everything to a light simmer. Once it starts to simmer, reduce the heat to low, cover, and gently simmer for 10 minutes. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back with the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. After 10 minutes, remove the lid, grab a spatula, give it a stir. You can also smash some of the cranberries to help them to release some of their juices into the sauce. Continue gently simmering the sauce and add 1/4 cup or 63 milliliters of tawny port. Give it a quick 360 and continue reducing the sauce down for another 5 minutes or until it's as thick as you like. One thing to note, that whenever the sauce starts to cool off, it'll be a whole lot thicker than whenever it's hot. Whenever the sauce is as thick as you like, add a touch of black pepper. So check it out, this looks really good. A lot of the strawberries and blueberries and even cranberries have broken down, infusing their flavor into the sauce. It's rich, it's thick, so you can take it off heat, put it to the side. Remove the cinnamon stick and round up a 9 by 13 inch or 23 by 33 centimeter baking dish. Pour it in and evenly distribute it with a spoon throughout the dish. Let it sit and cool off, then cover with plastic wrap and place in the refrigerator overnight. And that's all there is to it. The next day, you, your friends, your family, you can all dive in and enjoy that delicious fruity holiday cranberry sauce. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching. And remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Until next Saturday, keep whisking, y'all.